reference. Yesterday we saw three different types of referencing, like relative reference, absolute reference and mixed reference. Now we'll see today circular reference. Let's see what is circular reference first. Circular reference occurs when a formula refers to its own value. For example, let's say this worksheet I have prepared. This worksheet is containing the marks statement of a student obtained in different subjects. Now, suppose we have to find the sum of these all numbers, these all marks. So the first marks in Hindi is 55, 65 in English, and so on. So what formula we will write? A formula, as we know, that always starts from an equal to sign. So I am putting equal to sign here first. Then we will write equal to sum, then bracket. The first cell is B3, so we will write B3 colon sign, and then we will write G3. If we write this formula, then this is correct and it will produce the correct result. But according to the circular reference, if a formula refers to its own value means in the cell where I am writing the formula, if we will include that cell also, then it is called referring cell of its own. So if we write B3 colon H3, why H3? In the H3 cell I am writing this formula, so this will become a circular reference. So let's see what is happening. As I will press enter key, it will show a warning. See, this is saying we found one or more circular reference in the notebook, in the workbook, that might cause your formula to calculate incorrectly. This is circular reference, and as I will click OK, it is not showing any value. So let's understand what is happening. Every time it is calculating the formula in the cell H3, and it must be calculated again because H3 has changed. Okay, so this calculation would go on forever, and this is why it shows a circular reference. So how we can come out of the circular reference? So we will go to the formula again and we will change it from H3 to G3. So it will produce the correct result. Okay, I hope you understand. Again I am repeating, circular reference is the situation when a formula refers to its own value. Circular referencing is not a type of referencing, it is a situation. It occurs when by mistake or by intentionally, if we write the wrong formula or if we refer to the cell where we are writing the formula, then in that situation circular reference occurs. Now next topic is text formula. See, what is a text? Text is a sequence of character on which you cannot perform operations such as subtraction, multiplication or division. I hope you are getting. Text is a sequence of character on which you cannot perform operations like subtraction, multiplication or division. However, you can join strings together. This is called concatenation. That means joining two strings. Two strings means like your first name and last name. If you join it, then it is called as concatenation, and we use ampersand sign or ampersand character to concatenate together. Let's see, suppose I am writing a name Vishal, and in the second cell I am writing Kumar. Now how to concatenate or how to add these two words? So what we will write? We will write equal to, this cell is A2, so I am writing A2, and ampersand, and this cell is B2, so I will write B2. Let's see, this is appearing Vishal Kumar without any space. So these two, this text and this text is appearing together in the cell C2. This adding of two word together is called as concatenation. If you want to put the space between it, so how you will write it? Equal to A2 ampersand and double quote open and close, and then again you will write ampersand. This will leave the blank space, this double quote, and then you will write B2. So see, this is showing Vishal Kumar. So you can make your table like this. So in the first cell you will write the heading first name, and in the second you will write last name. Okay, and then you will write your first name Vishal, and you will write Kumar, and in third cell you will give the heading full name. So here you will write the formula equal to A3 ampersand space ampersand B3. So you will try this on 10 different names, and then you will show it to me. So if you forget the formula, what you can do, you will double click on this cell, and at the formula tab here you can see the formula again if you forget it. I hope you understand it.